In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link email in Framer. This process is straightforward and allows you to create interactive elements that open an email client directly from your Framer design. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of achieving this using the Mail-to URI. First, you need to identify the element you wish to transform into an email link. This could be anything from a button to a piece of text within your design. Selecting the right element is crucial since this will be the interactive component triggering the email client. Think about the user experience and consider where this interaction would be most effective in your design. With your element selected, direct your attention to the right side of your Framer workspace. Here, you'll find the Properties panel, which houses a variety of settings and options for customization. This panel is your central hub for enhancing the functionality of your design elements. Within this panel, search for the link field. Next to this field, you'll notice a tiny plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. This action allows you to define a new link for your selected element, giving it the power to interact with your user's email client. In this step, you will enter your email address using the Mail-to syntax. This specific syntax is what enables the email link functionality. Begin by typing Mail-to, followed by your email address. For instance, if your email address is your.email@example.com, you would input mail-to-your-email@example.com. This setup creates a basic email link that, when clicked, opens the default email client on the user's system with your email address ready as the recipient. For added functionality, you can also set up an email with a pre-filled subject or body. This is particularly useful if you want to guide users on the specific content they should send. To do this, you simply extend the original Mail-to link by adding a question mark, followed by subject and your desired subject line. For example, Mail-to your.email@example.com, subject hello, will open the email client with hello as the preset subject. To make it even more user-friendly, you can populate the body of the email by appending nbody followed by your message. A complete example would be Mail-to your.email@example.com, subject hello and body message, which sets both a subject and a body for the email. Once you've crafted your Mail-to link, the final step is to press Enter. Doing so applies the link to your chosen element. It's as simple as that. You've now successfully turned a regular design element into a functioning email link. Users who interact with this element within your Framer prototype will experience a seamless transition to their email client with your specifications already in place. By following these steps, you've enhanced the interactivity of your Framer project, making it not only more functional, but also providing an improved user experience. Engaging users with direct email links can streamline communication and enhance your overall design impact.